Have you ever wondered how business keep track of every lead from the moment someone clicks on their ad to the time they become a paying customer? In this video, I will explain how lead tracking works inside GoHighLevel and how you can use it to never lose a single lead again, even if you are a completely beginner. Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and boost your productivity. If that sounds good to you, hit the subscribe button and make sure to check the link from the description to get the 30 days free trial link on GoHighLevel, the live bootcamp access and some exclusive bonuses. So check the link from the description to grab the offer, and now let's get back to the video. So first of all, you have to understand how lead tracking works in GoHighLevel. Basically, GoHighLevel automatically tracks the leads from all of your funnels, forms, or chat widgets. Every time someone fills out a form, books an appointment, or messages you, their details are instantly saved inside your CRM dashboard. Now, you don't need to work manually to copy the data. Everything syncs automatically. Now, second step is viewing all the leads inside the CRM. So, once you are inside your GoHighLevel account, just move to the contacts. Here you will see every leads, the name, phone number, email, and the funnel or campaign they came from. Now step 3 is tracking lead stage in pipeline. So for that, just move to the opportunities tab. Here is the place where GoHighLevel shows the leads moving through our pipeline, from new lead to own or the lost. So you can drag and drop leads between stages to visually track the progress, just like a digital whiteboard. Next thing is the automation or the workflow. So set up the automations to follow up with your leads automatically. For example, sending a text or email when someone sign up. And this will help you to keep leads warm without manually messaging to everyone. And another important thing is the reporting section. Here you can track the performance of your leads. So if you are here, you can see how many leads you have captured, converted, and how much revenue each campaign brings in. Now this helps you to understand what's working and what needs the improvement. And that's how basically you can easily track and manage your all leads in GoHighLevel. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe this channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.